Hey, what's up everybody? So for today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change or edit your name in GoDaddy. So very quickly, scroll to the right side of the main interface, head to account settings. Afterwards, you're going to see here email. So just click on email, and then from here, you can now change your email, and then automatically this will send a verification code to your current email, and then you can change it. Another thing you can change in my profile is, of course, your name. So here you can also change your first name and your last name on however you want to appear on GoDaddy. So that's basically it. Just for a bit of a recap on how we did it, go to the right side of the screen, click on your name here with the arrow down button, and then click on account settings. Afterwards, just go to email, and then here you can type in your new email, and then it will send a verification code because email addresses must be verified. And that's it. Very simple and very easy thing to do. And hopefully we got to see you again on the next one that we make. If you do like this video, or if this video had helped you out, please make sure to hit the like and of course the subscribe button, as we will be giving out more tutorials on GoDaddy and of course more tutorials on other sites and applications. So be sure to be on the lookout for that only here on Tech Help Guy.